Hello and welcome to the Teach Me Forex Swing in Position Weekly Wrap-Up Session, edition of January 17th, 2009. Well, the whole team at Teach Me Forex hopes you had an awesome holiday season, and we hope you enjoy our new look as well as our new style of presenting this weekly wrap-up session. Let's start right away with looking at our last week's of published results back in December. We banked 198 pips with a 24.6 return on investment. And to start 09, we did, on our first week of trading, 81 positive pips, and that accounted for 8.5% return on investment there on those 81 pips. So very positive. That's a good start. Let's build on that. And you may ask, as many have, what does this mean to us as far as money is concerned? And that's why we've adopted this new style of looking at things so we can answer this very question right here. And to do so, let us introduce our three hypothetical traders. I've named Peter Pipper, Susie Lovelots, and Bubba Big Shot. So what do these three have in common? Well, all have gone through the Teach Me Forex graduate programs, and all do attend religiously the Teach Me Forex Swing in Position Team Trade Room on a daily basis. What's the difference between them? Well, the only difference is some of them have been trading for longer than others. They didn't all join us at the same time, and they all learned at their own pace. So now let's talk a little bit about Peter. He joined Teach Me Forex in July 2008 with no previous trading experience. I mean, Peter has since told us that he loves the live online coaching he receives on a daily basis, and he also loves that he could do it all from home. And all that culminated that Peter is starting to trade live just this week, January of 09. And his commitment to get there were 2 to 3 hours a day, 4 to 5 days a week for around 6 months. That's what it took Peter to gain this consistency. Now Peter has two accounts that he trades with the Swing in Position Team Trade Room. His account number 1, the compounding account with a starting balance of $500, and his account number 2, the reward account with a starting balance of also $500. Let's talk Susie Lovelots. She joined Teach Me Forex back in March of 08. She had no previous trading experience either. She loves the 24 hours online video lessons, as Susie's a night owl and she loves to take these lessons at night. And she loves the live trade calls inside the team trade rooms. She started trading live back in August 2008. It's going well, as you'll see by her accounts. Her commitment to get there was 2 to 3 hours a day, 4 to 5 days a week for around 5 months. So Susie has two accounts that she manages inside the Swing in Position Team Trade Room. The account number 1 is her compounding account with a starting balance in 09 this week of $2,000. And account number 2, that's the reward account, with also a starting balance of $2,000. Then we've got Bubba Big Shot. He joined Teach Me Forex just in September of 08, a few months ago. But he had some trading experience, although not very fruitful. But since then, Bubba has learned to love the structure of the program with the exams and the quizzes for each lesson. Bubba also loves the support and consistency of his newfound trader friends. And Bubba really loved that he was able to hone his skills on an unlimited amount of demo accounts. And that all led to Bubba trying to start trading live again just a month ago, back in December of 08. And to get there, Bubba with Teach Me Forex committed 2 to 3 hours a day, 4 to 5 days a week for around 3 months. It took Bubba. So Bubba's got two accounts he manages with us in the Swing in Position Team Trade Room. The account number 1, the compounding account, has now a starting balance of $10,000. Same with the reward account number 2, also 10 grand in there. Alright, so let's get back to our results. Let's break them down here a little bit. Total trades 5, winning trades 4, 1 losers, net pips 81, return on investment 8.5%. So here are the actual trades. So we could see that we only had one real big kahuna on the Swissy 15-minute chart, 93 pips. And we had 1 losers on the Swissy 1-hour chart. This was minus 15 pips, and we had 3 plus 1 pip trades, total of 81 pips for the week. So, now you're asking, did our traders really take all these trades? Indeed they did. Because in order for the probabilities to play themselves out and be reflected in the accounts, we must take all the potential setup offered to us. It's not like there's a zillion of these setups. As a matter of fact, there was only 5 this week and 5 trading days, so that's about a setup a day. How long can that take? So, now we're going to cover the goals for the two accounts that we manage inside the swing and position. So account number 1, we try to compound by 10% a week and then close it and give it a rest for the rest of the week. And account number 2, we'll take the rest of the trades there, and there's no limit on what we can take. This is our reward account after all. So we love to get there and we love to pad it up. So now let's go see how our traders did fare this week using the Teach Me Forex swing and position money management rules. It's really important to follow these rules if you want to have the exact same results. Indeed. So let's start with Peter Pipper. He started his account number 1 with $500 balance. He was able to compound by 8.5%, so short of the 10%, so that made him netted him a profit of $42.50. So the ending balance is $542.50. No trades were taken in the reward account, so it's still at $500 untouched. So the total profit was $42.50. Sorry, there's a mistake here, so please let's correct that here. $42.50, hopefully. That's all. And the average return on investment was 4.25. So there's a 5 missing there. We'll correct that by next week. Sorry about that, everyone. Susie Love Lots. Well, she also couldn't trade the reward account, so in compounding account number 1, she ended the balance with $2,170. So for a total profit of $170 this week, 4.25% return on investment over the 2 accounts combined. That's why it's 8.5 in our account number 1, but 0 in an account number 2. So combined, it comes down to this. Here's a Bubba Big Shot. Compound account number 1, 8.5%, so he made $850 in his 10,000 account number 1, and nothing in the account number 2. So again, the return on investment combined between the 2 accounts is 4.25%. $850 is the total profit. So good job, all you 3. For only taking 5 trades, 4 winners, 1 losers, 81 pips, return 8.5% in 1 account. That's awesome. Anything positive is awesome. So now you're probably asking, are we expected to take every single one of these trades that we call to the exact pip? There. Is everyone closing the trades at the same time? Really? And the answer is yes. Because of the money management rules of the swing and position phase, they're fully mechanical. So the profit taking is mechanical as well as the stop loss and the entry. So that does create the exact same end results no matter who is managing the trades. That's the beauty of mechanics. So, as we like to say here at Teach Me Forex, give a man a fish, he eats for a day. Teach a man to fish, he eats for a lifetime. We want you to eat for a lifetime, and we want you to let us be your Forex fishing guides. So to do so, please visit us at www.teachmeforex.com, watch our intro video, and really learn who we are, what we do, and how we do it. You're all invited to help us fulfill our vision. Please help us create the largest team of successful online currency trader in the world, one trader at a time. Will you be the next? And finally, from the whole team at Teach Me Forex, have yourself a beautiful day.